Let It Go diet. We are on day 3, breakfast. After the first 2 days, each day when you make your meal from the night before for dinner, you're going to carry that over. The leftovers, you're going to carry it over to the next day. So on day 2, if I made a meal, which was healthy greens and beans, I didn't eat the full portion at night. I carried that over, half of it over to today, and I ate that for lunch. So this is breakfast, anti-inflammatory smoothie. Lunch is leftovers, healthy greens and beans. And then tonight, for day 3, we have a separate meal. The reason why I was bringing that up is if you get up in the morning and you want to eat the leftover healthy greens and beans for breakfast, by all means do that. And then you can drink the smoothie in the afternoon for lunch. So this recipe has turmeric in it, and this is why we call it the anti-inflammatory smoothie, because turmeric has anti-inflammatory principles, and it really does work. There's a little hidden secret that if you add a little pepper to turmeric root, we're using a turmeric powder, it helps break it down. So let's get started. This is a quick recipe. It calls for 1 cup of pineapple, half a cup of strawberries, a half a teaspoon of the turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of hemp protein, and 1 to 2 cups of coconut water. So let's get started. That's the pineapple and the strawberries. We'll add the icing. A half teaspoon of the turmeric powder. I'm actually going to put in more like a teaspoon. I feel like I need some anti-inflammatory help. Next is 2 tablespoons of hemp protein. One, and then this. To help break down the turmeric powder, it is said throw a little bit of pepper in there to help break down the compounds for better anti-inflammatory. It's calling for 1 to 2 cups of coconut water. This is just about 2 cups, so we really can just pour the whole thing in. And you want to use a strong blender, not a small blender, something that's known more as an emulsifier that's really going to break it down into a smoothie. Any regular blender should work. Maybe a magic bullet, the smaller ones would not work. Make sure you always have the lid on. Extremely important. Alright, we just blended up our anti-inflammatory smoothie. This is day 3 of the Let It Go diet. Let's give it a test. And remember to subscribe to our station and hit the like button below. We would appreciate that. It helps us get more recognized. Quick look, it looks like it's a little thin. You know, you can, actually it looks great. I take that back. It looks creamy. Let's give it a taste. I mean, the turmeric just gives the fruit a smooth, creamy taste. You will enjoy it. Until next time, Let It Go diet. We'll see you soon. Stay healthy.